Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the BeatSets Studio 3 and removing any case. This prevents shorting and gives clear access. Once done, set the headset on a soft towel and organize your tools. Small Phillips, a thin plastic pry tool, and a screw tray. Make sure to photograph each side before you touch anything so you can reverse steps. Now remove visible screws on the ear cup seams. You'll feel a little resistance. Apply steady pressure to avoid stripping heads. Once the seam opens slightly, continue prying around the ear cup in 2 to 3 small increments. This prevents cracking the plastic. You'll expose a foam cushion and then the internal bracket. Lift the cushion to reveal ribbon cable connectors. Carefully flip up the retaining tabs and slide the ribbons straight out. Do not pull at an angle because connectors are fragile. Make sure to note each screw and bracket orientation. Orientation matters when reinstalling because clips align only one way. You're now at the final phase. Remove the driver mounting screws and lift the driver straight up from its housing to avoid pinching wires. Inspect wire routing and loosen any clips to free the cable. Note its path so sound balance remains correct. When reassembling, seat ribbon connectors fully and return screws to original torque. Over-tightening can warp plastic. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Recheck ribbon seating and connector tabs. Most failures are loose ribbons, not dead components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.